Boat number 4 is Eleanor.
First team up. Team number 6, Mitch Bullock and Al Rez. Come on up, guys. This side, this side, this side. Oh, that'll work. This side.
You guys got fishing tournament going on?
How many fish?
You got 5.
5 fish. They're picking out their big one right now. How many extras? They caught 17 keepers today, they're predicting. 5 fish, 5 alive. Their big bass is 3.05 for their big bass. 3.05. And I'll get around this side. What was your bait today?
Worms and crawdads.
Worms and crawdads. Total weight of 11.60. 11.60. Yeah, let's hold them up for a quick picture.
40 yards when I'm working the shoreline. Yeah.
Yeah, this is video, Al.
I got 2 bags.
Okay.
Wet.
Hey Stan, nice weather.
305.
Bob, Clark, come on around this side. How many fish? 5 fish, another limit. Any extras during the day? Right here. 2.98 on their big bass, 2.98.
That's the big one right there, right?
Mitch,
You think see that small? Grab that one. That one or this one?
here.
2.98 on their big bass. They got 5 fish.
I don't know, man.
11.80, 11.80. Hold a couple of these up, guys.
Yeah. This one? The other one's not bigger, right?
Come around this side, Dennis.
Whoa! Runaway fish.
This one's bigger, right? No. I also think that one's bigger. The one in your left hand is. All right.
Pat, yes.
Keep your eye on that.
Jimmy?
Good job, guys. What's going on?
You got a hole in your back roll.
This is team number 11. This is Dennis Bannock and Jim Sachs. How many fish? 5 fish. Pick out your big one. Okay, Jimmy. Magic bait. What was the bait, Jimmy? Rubber cricket. Yeah. Dodgers and flies in 50 foot of water. What was the depth you were at? Real shallow. Big bass is 3.05, 305 for their big bass. 11.80 is leading right now. You gonna push it?
Look at that one. Look what he
Oh. 11.52, 11.52. What a close race so far. We got 11.80 leading, 11.60 in second.
Chance in hell.
Nope.
Why is there gonna pin in there?
That's all I say, John. John, no chance in hell.
I got 5 fish, but no chance. What you guys get? Hurry up, get your water.
This is Ben and Terry, team number 1. How many fish? They got 5, we know that.
Pick up and put the bag underneath and get your water.
They're debating. They got bookends here. 3 or 4 nice big fish.
Left hand, yeah.
I think there's one in the trough, a little bigger.
Left hand. Left hand.
Right in. 5 fish, 5 live.
5 fish, 5 alive. Here's their big bass. 2.98, 298 for their big bass. Okay, we got 11.80 leading right now. 11.80 is leading right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got a new leader, 13.43. 13.43. Get some pictures of them, guys. Get around here this side of the stage.
Benny finally wins one.
I'm not ready.
Yeah, they're gonna return it back.
Can you see them? Can you see them?
Daddy has them right here.
In the water.
Look at that. Yeah, nice. Look at that.
Gotcha.
All over me.
Get him back in the water.
Look at him, Dad.
This is team number 4, Andy Ellenberg and Kyle Prosklo. How many fish, guys? 5 fish. 5 alive.
Big bass coming up.
Big bass coming up. 2.83 for the big bass, 283.
I got right off. Oh, wait, coming up.
9.74, 974. Couple quick pictures, guys. All right, they're gonna put them back in. Next team. This is team number 3, Vince Sesha and Chris Lopez.
We got big, way big.
Chris also directs our singles division out here on Wolf Lake. He's been doing that. He's been doing that all year. They've been having some great weights in the singles too.
Big bass coming up.
Big bass coming up. 2.31 at a big bass. 231. 5 fish. All alive. Total weight. 11.74, 11.7, or 8.74.
Alright, this is like 15 for me, alright? Just for the hell of it.
It's team number 10, Grant Sanders and Joe Skalski. Grant and Joe.
5 fish, 5 alive.
5 fish, 5 alive. Catch any extras? Tough day on the water.
Big bass coming.
1.90 on the big bass. Total weight coming. 8.18, 818. This is boat number 2, Carlos Ferrer and Bob Westhouse. You want to come on up here, guys? How many fish? 5 fish. And they got a pretty good one here. They look like Asian carp, he said. Smell like it too, according to Mike. All my fault. 4.15 for the big bass.
Nice fish.
4.5. Big bass coming. Total coming.
Total weight coming up, Mike. You're getting like me. 10.82, 10.82 for the total weight. Take some pictures, guys. Quick picture of the big one. What do you think, people? Does this lake have any bass in it? This is mid-summer. Some of the worst fishing you could do in the year. And these guys are showing what this lake is all about. Great job, guys. It's an old partner of mine coming up here. Fished alone today, Oldie said. This is number 5. This is Steve Rudy. Steve blames the whole thing on me today, the weather and everything. Am I right?
Wind chill in January. I'm gonna have to get his partners one. No, I don't have any.
It's not going to weigh a big fish. 5 fish.
5 fish, 5 alive.
Fish biting all day long. Catch any extras? Yep, called a few fish. A lot of 13 and a half, 13 and 3/4 inch fish, he said too. A lot of undersized, so this lake is showing the future. Total weight. Good job, Steve. 9.17, 917.
Here you go, Steve.
This is team number 7, James Linkovich and Steve Coleman. How many fish, guys? 5 fish. That means every team that weighed in so far has 5 fish. Has a limit. Every team has a limit. Here's their big bass.
Big bass coming.
2.53, 253. Catch any extras? 5 keepers, that's it. They have to struggle through today. Any shorts? 3 or 4 shorts. Lost fish. 9.07 for the total weight, 907. Okay, for the boaters, they can start going back, getting their trailers out and driving around this side of the building. We're going to actually ask them to move at this point. Pictures, guys, real quick.
Way to go, James.
Little baby back.
Rainbow.